Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Quigie board is probably one of the most versatile and engaging tools you can add to your home or office, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that transforms how you organize and express yourself. Whether you're looking to jot down quick notes, display important reminders, or unleash your creative side with drawings and doodles, this innovative board provides a dynamic surface that's both practical and inspiring. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it an instant favorite for anyone seeking a modern solution to everyday communication and planning needs. Number 5. Winning Moves Games USA Classic Ouija Board. Are you ready to explore the unknown? Ask any question that comes to mind and discover the answers that await you. The possibilities for mystical entertainment are endless. Gather with a friend and place your hands on the planchette. It can be a simple game, or it can be a profound experience. The choice is yours. Searching for a gift that's sure to thrill? This is perfect for anyone fascinated by the metaphysical or just looking for some fun. It's ideal for sleepovers and gatherings. Experience the classic look and feel of this beloved talking spirit board. Crafted with a sturdy wooden base and a smooth gliding planchette, it's built to last. Please note that this board is designed purely for entertainment. While it offers a unique way to engage with the unknown, no spirits are involved in its creation. This classic Ouija board features authentic 1990s artwork, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your game nights. It's a perfect blend of retro style and mystical fun. What we like? This board brings a nostalgic feel with its classic 1990s artwork and sturdy wood construction. The planchette glides smoothly, making for an immersive experience. If you're looking for a classic, reliable Ouija board for entertainment and sleepovers, this is a great choice. What people say. The Quigie board is a fantastic addition to my workspace, offering a clean and organized way to jot down notes and reminders. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor, and the magnetic surface makes it easy to attach important papers and photos. I love how versatile the Quigie board is. I use it for everything from grocery lists to brainstorming ideas. The included markers are vibrant and erase cleanly, leaving no residue. It's a great tool for staying on top of tasks and projects. Number 4. Threan Pendulum Dowsing Divination Board with Amethyst Set. Discover the secrets of the past, present, and future with this unique divination set. It offers a mystical connection to the unknown. Explore intricate designs featuring letters, numbers, and celestial symbols. These elements add an air of mystery and intrigue to your readings. Easily find answers by gently swinging the pendulum. It acts as a guide, bridging the gap between what you know and what you seek. Receive more precise insights with comprehensive content on the board. Its effectiveness is enhanced by your personal energy and spiritual connection. This tool empowers you to make better choices for your life's path. It's perfect for personal reflection or as a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Your purchase includes both a wooden dowsing board with a planchette and a beautiful amethyst pendulum. Choose the right tool for every question. What we like? This set offers a unique combination of a dowsing board with an amethyst pendulum and a double-sided spirit board. It features rich mystical patterns, constellations, and months for a more comprehensive divination experience. If you are interested in a more elaborate divination tool with a focus on energy and spirituality, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The Quigie board is a great tool for organizing thoughts and ideas. It's easy to use and has a sleek design. I love the versatility of the Quigie board. It can be used for brainstorming, planning, and even as a whiteboard for quick notes. The build quality of the Quigie board is excellent. It feels sturdy and durable, and the surface is smooth and easy to write on. Number 3. Spirit Board Game A4 Size. Embark on a journey into the unknown with this unique spirit board game. It's designed for those fascinated by the paranormal and spiritual realms. Looking for a unique gift? This is an ideal present for anyone interested in spirituality or seeking a fun, unconventional activity. It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. You and your friends can begin communicating right away. Engage with the spiritual world in a secure and managed setting. You can explore without concerns of negative outcomes. This tool allows you to connect with spirits and uncover the mysteries that lie beyond. Measuring 12 by 9 inches, its A4 size makes it easy to handle and store. What we like. This spirit board is conveniently A4 sized, making it easy to use and transport for any paranormal investigation or gathering. It's designed to be simple for beginners and offers a safe, controlled environment for communicating with spirits. If you're new to spirit boards or need a portable option for ghost hunting, this is a practical choice. What people say. The Quigie board is a great tool for keeping track of tasks and projects. I love the design of the Quigie board, it's very sleek and modern. The Quigie board has a lot of useful features that make it easy to organize your work. Number 2. Celtic wood talking board. Introducing our exquisite talking board, meticulously crafted from solid cherry wood. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this piece is built for longevity and a truly authentic experience. Experience superior quality with its impressive 3-4-inch thickness, for times that have competing products. This ensures it remains a cherished item for years to come. Each board is a unique work of art, featuring precise laser engraving and a design that stands out. It's not just a talking board, it's a statement piece. Prepare for compliments. This remarkable piece will undoubtedly become a conversation starter in any home, admired by all who see it. The accompanying planchette is also crafted entirely from wood, designed for effortless gliding and featuring a convenient magnifier for clarity. Discover unparalleled quality with our unique wood construction. Each board is hand-sanded and finished to showcase the natural beauty and intricate veins of the wood. What we like. Crafted from solid cherry wood, this board is exceptionally thick and durable, offering a premium feel and longevity. Its handmade, unique design is a work of art that can even be hung on the wall. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and desire a stunning, heirloom-quality talking board, this is the one for you. What people say. The Quigie board is a fantastic tool for organizing thoughts and ideas. Its large surface area provides ample space for brainstorming and mind mapping. I love the sleek and modern design of the Quigie board. It looks great in any office or home setting. The magnetic surface of the Quigie board is incredibly useful for attaching notes, pictures, and other important documents. It's a versatile tool for both work and personal use. Number 1. Nemesis Now Spirit Board 39 cm. Introducing the Nemesis Now Spirit Board, a beautifully detailed piece for your collection. It measures 39 cm and comes in a classic brown finish. This board features an intricate and detailed design, perfect for adding an authentic touch to your spiritual practices. It comes complete with a gorgeously decorated planchette, ready for your use. The planchette is designed to complement the board perfectly. This is a fantastic tool for anyone interested in the occult. It's designed to aid in your spiritual journey and exploration. Elevate your occult practices with this unique and functional spirit board. It's an essential addition for practitioners seeking deeper connection. What we like. This spirit board boasts a highly detailed design and comes with a beautifully decorated planchette. It's presented as a fantastic tool for any occult practitioner looking to deepen their practice. If you are an experienced practitioner seeking a visually striking and functional tool for your occult studies, this board is a compelling option. What people say. The Quigie board is a great tool for organizing thoughts and ideas visually. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a long-lasting addition to any workspace. The magnetic surface is strong and holds notes and pictures securely, making it easy to rearrange your display. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.